If you've forgotten your Calendly password or you want to change your login details, this video will walk you through the process step by step. We'll cover how to get into your account settings, where to find your login preferences, how to unlink Google or Microsoft if needed, and how to set a brand new password safely. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Calendly and go to your dashboard. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the page. You should see either your profile picture or your name there. Click on that menu to open your account options. From the drop-down menu, select Profile. This will take you into your account settings area, where you can manage the details connected to your Calendly account. Now look for login preferences and click on it. This section is where Calendly stores your sign-in method and password-related settings. If you originally created your account using Google or Microsoft, you may not have a traditional password set up yet. If that's the case, and you want to create or reset your Calendly password, you may need to click Unlink first if you use Google or Microsoft to sign in. This disconnects the external login method so you can switch to a password-based login instead. Just make sure you're ready to do this before unlinking because it changes how you access your account. After that, Calendly may ask you to verify your identity. At this point, check your email for a verification code. Enter the code when prompted so Calendly can confirm that it's really you making the change. Once your identity is verified, you should be able to enter your new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and make sure it's something secure but easy for you to remember. Re-enter it if Calendly asks you to confirm it and then save your changes. After you save, your password reset is complete. If needed, try signing out and signing back in again to make sure the new login details work properly. That's always a good final check, especially if you change from Google or Microsoft login to a direct email and password setup. And that's it. You now know how to reset your Calendly password. It only takes a few steps once you know where to look. And hopefully this saved you time and frustration. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tutorials, tips, and step-by-step walkthroughs. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.